Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So you guys have asked for it. So today I am taking you with me to the thrift store. So we're going, the whole family's here. It's the first Saturday of the month, which means they do like a half price day for everyone the first Saturday of the month. So we're all gonna go in and see what we can find. And Annabelle is going to be our trusty camera person again. And we got Caroline too. All right, so let's go see what we find. Any new baskets?
They're all basically Easter baskets.
Yeah, their baskets are all 50 cents, so we always go through these and see if we can find any. All right, I don't see any today. Oh, that one. Well, that's kind of cool. Some maps. So we always look for cool pictures. Okay, I need a chair for Grandma's porch. This might be a good one. It's $12, so it's gonna be $6.
Your card's always full at the end of the day.
I know. We'll have to see.
Girl.
Yeah.
Tennessee cheerleaders.
We'll see.
Tennessee.
So next I like to go look at all the wood pieces. So we're gonna go see what we can find. Oh, actually, before that, we'll look at the seasonal stuff. We'll just put it in my car for now. And then
Look at that little glass thingy right there. That thing.
okay, this is the cart with all the new stuff. I need a lantern. This would be great for outdoor. $4, so it's $2. Should mommy make something out of that?
Maybe like put some like Halloween spiders or something in it.
I like that idea. This is normally the section that I shop in because they have a lot of wood pieces, and wood pieces are great because I can always paint them. Ooh, this is kind of a cute mirror.
Would you change the thing on it?
I'm not a fan of this, but turned around, it's kind of cute. I could always like put something on top of it. I don't know if I've done a lamp. I may get this and redo this. Okay, so this section has all of like the candle holders. So I'm always looking for like brass candle holders here. This is kind of a cool basket. We're gonna grab that. These are cool. Look at these. Ooh, I like that. Oh, these little Crocs. I like that one.
What does this one say? Hakuna Club.
Yeah, that will look cool out in the kitchen. We're gonna grab that.
Okay.
It's $1.50, so it'll be 75 cents.
It's for like to put like plates on. And
yeah,
like
I think we're gonna grab these. They're $1, so they'll be 50 cents. So they just set this out. It's 50 cents, so it's gonna be 25 cents. But once I clean that up, it's gonna look so cool sitting out.
it looks
It's like a little copper pot. I love it. At the thrift store. Okay, so I just saw this cute little clock. It's actually pretty heavy. They don't have a price on it, so I'm gonna see what they want for it. So they always have tons of picture frames out, so I usually try to go through and look for either pictures, I like that one, or sometimes I'm just looking for frames. I always check the craft supplies at the end to see if there's just anything that I need to pick up. I like that kind of yarn. I may grab that. So that would be 50 cents. I think I'm gonna get that. Okay, now I need to figure out what I'm gonna get and what's staying here.
Are we successful with our stuff?
I mean, did we get enough stuff?
I think so.
I think so too. Alright. Okay, I'm back from the thrift store. Wanted to show you guys everything that I ended up grabbing. So the first thing I got was this larger basket, and I just thought this would be cute sitting out. I ended up paying $1 for that. I also grabbed this little basket and these. I thought about maybe with these putting them in my table, like fall table setup. If I don't do them for fall, maybe this spring. But I think I got 5 of them for 50 cents. And then this would be a basket that I could hang on the wall. So I may do that with that. And then I just grabbed this yarn for 50 cents. I really like that black and white yarn. And I mean, I'm sure I'll be able to use the rest of it. This was cool. I thought this little crock would be really fun sitting out for 75 cents. I don't know. I was drawn to it, so I think I want to put that in my kitchen. This was probably my favorite find, this little copper mug. I mean, it's just adorable. 25 cents. How cool is that? So I'm gonna put that out. I also ended up getting this little lamp here. Haven't decided yet if I'm going to paint the base of it. I may do that. That ended up being $3. I also grabbed this lantern. It only has glass on one side, but I'm probably gonna paint it and put it outside because I'm planning like an outdoor video, so I'll probably have that in there. I'm thinking that that's gonna be white, so that was $2. And then I also needed a natural wood chair to put outside because, believe it or not, all of my chairs are painted. So this wood chair was $6. Okay, so I just had to come inside. My neighbor outside started mowing, so I figured I would finish off in here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this thrift store video. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like seeing this or not. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you'll see how I DIY all these things that I just found. And I'll talk to you guys in our next video. Bye.